Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the brand new feature that allows a group owner to edit stories posted by others in your Telegram group using the PC app. If you're managing a community and want more control over your group stories, this update is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with the account that owns the group you want to manage. Now head to the group where you're the owner. You'll find it in your chat list. Just click to open the group chat. At the top right corner of the group window, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these to open the Group Options menu. From here, select Manage Group. This is where you control all the settings for your group. Inside the Management menu, look for the Administrator section. Click on it to see a list of everyone who helps manage your group. Find your name listed as owner and click on it to access your owner permissions. Scroll down until you see the Manage Stories section. Here, you'll find a new option: Edit Stories of Others. This is the key feature introduced in the latest update. Simply toggle this option on to allow yourself, as the group owner, to edit stories that have been posted by other group administrators. Once you've enabled this permission, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the screen. This will apply the changes and give you the ability to edit any story posted by your admin team right from your PC. And that's it. You've now unlocked the power to manage and polish your group stories, ensuring everything shared with your community meets your standards. This new feature is perfect for group owners who want to keep their group's stories consistent, engaging, and up to date. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Telegram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your group's stories with ease.